Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with me.
Hey, I'm so happy to be here today.
Me too. So, Leo, guess what happened this morning?
What happened?
I woke up late and I had to rush to get ready. It was crazy.
Oh no. Were you late for work?
Almost. I texted my boss and said, I'm on my way.
Classic. I do that all the time too.
It's so common, right? Everyone says that phrase.
True. Actually, this weekend my friends and I want to hang out.
Oh, nice. What are you going to do?
We're going to the park. Maybe grab some food after.
That sounds fun. You know, I love hanging out with friends too. It helps me relax.
Same here. Oh, by the way, can you give me a hand with something later?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I'm moving some furniture. It's heavy.
No problem. I'll help you.
Thank you. You're the best.
Anytime. Oh, quick question. Did you go grocery shopping yet?
No, I think we ran out of milk at home.
Really? Again?
Yeah, my brother drinks so much milk.
That's funny. Well, at least you two get along with each other well.
True. We rarely fight.
That's really nice. Family relationships are so important.
Absolutely. Okay, so today we use some really useful phrases without even noticing.
Yes, and that's exactly what we're going to explore in today's lesson.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's break down the phrases we used.
First one, on my way. This means you are going somewhere right now.
Example: Don't worry, I'm on my way to the meeting.
Next, hang out. This means spending relaxed time with friends.
Example: Let's hang out this weekend and watch movies.
Then we have, give me a hand. It means to help someone.
Example: Can you give me a hand with these boxes?
After that, run out of something. This means you have no more of it.
Example: We ran out of coffee this morning.
And finally, get along with someone. It means to have a good relationship with them.
Example: I get along with my coworkers really well.
These phrases are super common in daily conversations.
Exactly. Native speakers use them all the time, so learning them will make you sound more natural.
Try using one in your own sentence today.
Now, let's improve some basic sentences.
Sentence 1. I go to your house now.
A more natural way is, I'm on my way to your house.
Why is that better?
Because native speakers use on my way to show movement happening right now. It sounds more real and natural.
Nice. Sentence 2. I have no more sugar.
Better version, I ran out of sugar.
Oh, that sounds smoother.
Yes, ran out of is the natural way to say something is finished or missing.
Great. Last one. Can you help me carry this box?
You can also say, can you give me a hand with this box?
That sounds friendlier.
Exactly. It's casual and warm, perfect for everyday conversations.
These small changes make such a big difference.
They really do. Small phrases, big impact.
Okay, everyone, that's it for today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed learning these everyday phrases with us.
Now it's your turn. Write a sentence in the comments using one of today's words. Maybe hang out, run out of, or give me a hand.
We can't wait to read your sentences.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing and speak English with confidence.
Bye-bye.